Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Patience. So in today's video I will be making an immune booster drink that will help you ward off inflammation, detoxify your system of any infections. This drink is very powerful. It can help you to burn off body and stomach fats once you take it in the morning and before bedtime. So if you're interested, keep watching, and if this is the kind of video that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel. So in order to make this juice, we'll be needing 4 sizes of orange. Orange helps protect the cells from damage. It helps your body make collagen and protects and heal wounds, gives you a smoother skin. It boosts immune system and body defense. So the next one on our list is turmeric. Turmeric protects your body by neutralizing free radicals, pollution, shielding the cells from damage. So turmeric is used in treating stiffness of the joints by easing pains in the joints and clearing inflammation. Eating turmeric also prevents medical conditions such as cancer and heart diseases. These two benefits are more reasons to consider taking this juice. Another in the list is lemon. Lemons are an excellent source of vitamin C and are rich in antioxidants. It helps remove free radicals that can damage cells from the body. It is a cancer-fighting fruit that promotes better immunity functions and helps the body absorb enough iron in the body. With the help of a chopping board and knife, I'll be cutting the lemon skin, leaving only the juicy parts. Cut them into pieces and set them aside. So once I'm done with the lemon, I will go ahead and cut the orange open and also do the same process I did with the lemon. So once the orange is cut and the skin is removed, I went ahead to remove all the seeds in the orange and lemon. So on here you can see me packing up the citrus peel in a plate. This is because I will be using the peel for another DIY. So if you are really interested to know what it will be used for, stay tuned to my channel for more healthy DIY contents. Then in a clean blender, I will toss in the cut orange and lemon and a washed handful of fresh turmeric into the blender, but make sure you wash thoroughly. And if you're going to be peeling the turmeric back before using, make sure you put a gloves on as they can stain really bad. And once you are done blending, be sure to wash the blender with detergent to prevent the blender from staining as well. So after adding the citrus and turmeric into the blender, I went ahead and add some clean water into the blender for easy blending. Once that is done, I proceed to blend in the juice until all the content in the blender is crushed properly. Then I went ahead to filter the juice out with the help of my sieve. So remember, as I told you earlier, if you're making this juice, you need to put on gloves either when cutting the turmeric or when extracting the juice, so your hands won't get stained with turmeric because it gets too hard to clean off, especially when you fix a new nail, and turmeric have your hands and nails stained. After extracting, this is the outcome of the juice. As you can go ahead and serve it immediately, or you can treat it as a medication by using a glass shot. You know, all those tiny shots they use in taking traditional medication. You can use it and be taking this drink morning and night, and this will still work perfectly. So I will go ahead and store the juice in a glass bottle with the help of a funnel pitcher cup, as this is the best way to store your fruit juice to last longer, and this method is going to make it taste better as well, rather than storing it in a random container. You can as well choose to add honey to every cup of juice you want to drink at a time, or you can just serve it chilled. But make sure you consume this juice within 24 to 48 hours of making it. Do not do large quantity or large batches that you cannot finish within this time frame unless you are making this for your entire family. Now that you have seen how to make this super juice, go get your ingredients and make yours so you can enjoy all the benefits of nature to mankind. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe for more amazing content like this. So I'll be seeing you guys on my next one, and if you try this, make sure you leave a comment down below. I'll be saying them from my own end. And if you have any question concerning this drink, do not forget to leave it on the comment section.